Hi everyone, welcome back to another cooking vlog. In this video, it's plain rice, beef tomato pepper semi-dry and a quick curd curry. I hope you like the simple lunch meal video of mine, so keep watching. To begin with the curd curry, here into a mixer jar, I'm adding 1.5 cup of curd, 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder and blend this well. Now I'm adding a few fresh coriander leaves and blending it till fine. Into a heated kadai, add some oil, half teaspoon mustard seeds, crushed garlic cloves, 2 green chilies, few curry leaves, half thinly sliced onion and fry this onion till it turns brown. Once the onion turns brown, add the blended curd mixture. A total of 3/4 cup of water and mix this well. Keep stirring so that the curd doesn't get curdled. Once it's mixed well and begins to turn warm, add salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Give this a good mix and keep stirring till the curd mixture has turned warm. Once it turns warm, turn off the heat and keep aside. Our simple curd curry is ready to be served. To make plain rice, I am adding 4 cups of water into an electric cooker. Covering this and allowing it to boil well. While the water is getting boiled, I am taking 2 cups of rice into a bowl. Washing it well 3 to 4 times. Once the water begins to boil, add salt and the rice. Now give this a good mix. Cover and cook till done. To make the beef tomato pepper semi-dry recipe, I am roughly chopping few tomatoes. Here I have taken fully ripe 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Adding them into a blender jar along with some fresh coriander leaves. Now blend it till fine. Into a pressure cooker, add 500 grams of beef. Here I have taken boneless. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, salt to taste and the blended tomato coriander puree. Add roughly sliced half onion, 1 green chili and give this a good mix. Here I am not going to add any water. I am allowing the meat to cook in its own juices as the tomato puree would also have some water content. Now cover the lid and pressure cook this for 10 whistles. Once the pressure is released completely, open the lid and give this a good mix. Into a heated kadai, add a little oil. Once hot, add few crushed cloves of garlic, 1 green chilli, a sprig of curry leaves, roughly chopped onion. Here I have added half onion. Now fry this onion till it turns dark brown in color. Once the onion has begun to turn dark brown, add the stock from the pressure cooker. Now we need to boil this stock well and thicken it. To thicken, I am going to add a big pinch of roasted gram flour and whisk it immediately to avoid any lumps forming in this gravy. Once mixed well, add the beef pieces. Give it a good mix. Adding a teaspoon of pepper powder. Do add more. Now mix well. Also check for salt and add if required. Once mixed well, allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. Do remember to give it a stir in between so that it doesn't catch at the bottom. Once the meat and the gravy has simmered well, squeeze juice of half a lemon and mix well. Now turn off the heat and our beef pepper tomato semi-dry is ready to serve. That's all, my friends. I hope you loved this simple lunch meal video. Do give this recipe a try and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Do subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you for visiting. Take care. Bye-bye.